Hey guys, it's Sarah from Swissless Fan. So in this video, we're going to look at how to use Tesla in Switzerland with the garage door opener. So that uses the HomeLink protocol. And so I have a house now, and we're going to look at how you set it up and how it works. Okay, so garage door openers usually come with a remote like this one. And so these actually make it possible for you to open and close. And this, because it says this button here does that. And this button actually controls the door opener that's up here. And basically what you need to do is set up the car so that it will connect to this. So the way we do that is inside the car. So up here I have the HomeLink button. So I just click on it and I go to HomeLink settings. And here basically I can say that I already have one set up for the home. So I can just say I want to add a new HomeLink. I'll just type in a number, so a name, I'll just say test. And then it asks me the transmit mode. So standard mode, D mode. I'm not sure what these others are, but I just use the standard mode. And then I said set mode. And then before it says, have your garage remote empty. You may want to use new batteries. Park in front of your garage door. Be sure to leave it enough room for it to open. And then basically, I'm not going to do it, but basically what it tells you is that you have to go in front of the car and use the remote and activate it. That actually didn't fully work for me. So what I had to do is, I'm going to show you. So on most garage door openers, you have like a compartment like this one. And inside that compartment, there's a button for linking additional remote controls. So basically, once I set up the remote with the car, so the car learned the protocol, and then I had to press this button up here so that the garage door would accept the controls coming from the car. So that's all there is to it, and now we're going to see how it works. Okay, so we're now in the garage and we're going to get out and we're going to check what it says. So up here you can see it says home auto close in 6 meters, and I can skip it if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that. So let's go backwards now and watch. I don't know if you can see here what it's going to say. So it says 6 meters. So we're going backwards. 3 meters now. And as I back up, yeah, it's sending the signal, and you can see the garage door is starting to close.
It's very, very, very slow, guys.
Yeah, but it's working. All right, so that's when you leave home. So that makes it very easy. You can just go backwards. Of course, here I stopped to look at the door closing, but it's pretty easy to do. I can still, of course, force it to reopen if I press here. Okay, so we're getting home, and you can see here the home is right in front of us, but we already see that where it says auto open in 12 meters. So we're just going to drive towards the house, and it says open now. So now it's sending the signal to the door, and you can see that the door has started opening. And so this door is just a door that's supposed to be our HomeLink protocol, but now in the new Teslas, the new Teslas are coming out in 2021, there'll also probably be support for a Wi-Fi protocol that is now common on new garage doors. All right, so that's it for this demonstration and setup of using a garage door opener in the Model 3. All right, so that's it. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward once you know the trick about linking from the garage door opener. And I've used the system since I've moved here, and I had absolutely no problems. So hopefully it's the same for you. As I said, Tesla has also is probably going to introduce a new Wi-Fi control system for new garage door openers that work over Wi-Fi. So that's something you might want to check. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, of course, make sure to put them in the description, in the comments, and I'll try to do my best to answer them. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to put a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I list my next video. All right, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
to hit 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, and what he said, please do it. Have a nice day, guys.